How to fix and solve Uber app background check issues. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, go ahead and update your Uber application. So open up your app store in your mobile device. Once you open it up, in the search bar, search for Uber. And once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your Uber application update to its latest version. Now once it is updated, head back to your home screen and then open up settings application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, scroll below and then tap on general. From here, scroll below again and then tap on iPhone storage. Now once you are inside the iPhone storage, search for Uber app and then tap onto it. Now once you are in this section, tap on Upload App and then tap on Upload App again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the storage used by Uber app and will also help you to clear the cache. Now once it is uploaded, make sure to reinstall the application again. Now once it is done, head back to your home screen and then see if the issue has been fixed or not. If not, long press Uber app, tap on Remove app, tap on Delete app, and then tap on Delete again. Once it is deleted from your device, make sure to reinstall the application again. And with that, your problem should be fixed. If not, simply contact the Uber support or visit an Uber Green Light Hub. And with that, your problem will be fixed. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.